Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying capacity and safety. Inspect the strap label for rated strength and put on gloves. Once done, park both vehicles on firm level ground, set the parking brake, and chock wheels to prevent roll. Next, locate a certified recovery point on the stuck vehicle. You need a solid mounting point, not a bumper or weak toe eye. As you prepare the anchor, keep the strap coiled and untwisted so it will run smoothly during tensioning. Next, route the strap from the pulling vehicle to the stuck vehicle in a straight, flat line. Remove any twists because twists concentrate load and can cause failure. Once routed, pass the strap loop through the recovery point or bow shackle, using a shackle rated equal to or higher than the strap. Make sure the shackle pin is fully threaded and hand-tight. Avoid over-tightening with tools. Also, orient the saddle of the shackle to bear the strap load, not the pin. Now prepare to pull. Position the recovery vehicle in gear and signal your partner. Begin with a soft snatch or steady low-speed pull to take up slack, then increase force gradually so the stuck vehicle can roll free without shock loading the strap. Keep a recovery dampener over the middle of the strap to reduce recoil risk and ensure all people stay well clear. If the strap frays, the anchor shifts, or the stuck vehicle won't budge, stop and reevaluate anchor points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.